Drop it.
Having a great day today. This is me again, Teacher Cathy. Today we're gonna have fun learning together because today we're gonna talk about the weather. Can you say that again? Say weather. Weather. That's great. But before that, I want you to sing the weather song with me. Can you sing with me? Let's go! How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it sunny today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it rainy today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it cloudy today? Let's look outside. Is it snowy today? How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? How's the weather today? Great job! Today we're gonna be talking about the 4 different types of weather. Can you say that again? Weather. We have sunny, rainy, cloudy, and snowy weather. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy. Can you guess the weather? What do you see through the window? That's right! It's the sun. The sun. When we see the sun, we say it's sunny. It's sunny. On a sunny day, you will need your sunglasses and a hat. A hat. Great job! Now, what do you see through the window? There are clouds. When we see many clouds in the sky, we say it's cloudy. It's cloudy. On a cloudy day, you can go outside and play. How's the weather? It's cloudy. It's cloudy. Now what do you see through the window? The rain! Yes, the rain. And we say, it's raining. It's raining. On a rainy day, you need your boots and your umbrella. What's the weather like? It's rainy. It's rainy. Can you see that through the window? Oh, there's snowfall. When it's cold and snowflakes fall from the sky, we say it's snowy. It's snowy. On a snowy day, you will need your sweater and a bubble hat. What's the weather like? It's snowy. It's snowy. Now, repeat after me. Sunny. Sunny. Rainy. Rainy. Cloudy. Cloudy. Snowy. Snowy. Great job! Weather can be unpredictable. It's hard to guess what's gonna happen next. It can be rainy one day and sunny the next. We don't know. Weather is the condition of the outside air or atmosphere at a particular time and place, so it can change quickly. Remember, on a sunny day, you will need your sunglasses and your hat. On a rainy day, you will need your umbrella and your boots. On a cloudy day, we can go outside and play. On a snowy day, you will need your sweater and a bubble hat. And that's the end of our lesson today. I'll see you next time. Bye! Hey kids! It's me again, Teacher Cathy!
Drop it!
You're having a great day today because today we're gonna have fun learning together. In today's video, we are going to learn about the planets of the solar system. Now, as we begin, we have to answer this question. What are planets? It's a really good question. What are planets? Planets are round objects that orbit the sun. Here's a picture of the sun. It's the largest star in the solar system. And as you can see, there's a ring around the sun. And we call them solar flares, flyers shooting out of the sun. Absolutely amazing and stunning. The word orbit means to circle around. That means planets are round objects that circle around the sun. Hey, can you tell me what 3D shape is the planet? Think about it. What 3D shape is a planet? We know that a planet is round, right? So what 3D shape is perfectly round. Yeah, a sphere. Planets are spheres that are perfectly round. Good job. To summarize, planets are round objects that circle around the sun. Pretty simple, yeah? Hey, did you know there are 2 types of planets? Yeah, it's really interesting. There are 2 types of planets. So there are primary planets and there are dwarf planets. Those were the 2 types of planets. Now there are 8 primary planets. These are the main planets that you think of that are circling around the sun, and these are the planets that we're gonna be studying in this video. And then there are 5 dwarf planets. These planets are a lot smaller and not considered as primary planets. There they are, the primary planets. You're gonna get to know all of these 8 primary planets. You're gonna know them so well. The first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. The second planet is Venus. Our planet Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. The 4th planet is Mars. The 5th planet is Jupiter. That's the biggest planet of them all. The 6th planet is Saturn. Oh, gotta love those rings. The 7th planet is Uranus. And the 8th planet, the farthest planet from the sun, is the Neptune. Oh, I have a test for you. Can you tell me all the names of the planets? It's a little bit difficult to remember all the names of the planets, right? Let me tell you a trick. Just remember this sentence. My very energetic mother just served us noodles. One more time. My very energetic mother just served us noodles. In this sentence, the first letter of each word would give you the first letter of each planet. M is for Mercury. V is for Venus. E is for Earth. Another M is for Mars. J is for Jupiter. S is for Saturn. U is for Uranus. And N is for Neptune. So remember this sentence and you will be able to remember all the names of the planets. Now let's look at each of 8 primary planets. The first planet is Mercury. It is the closest planet to the sun. The sun is super duper hot. And guess what? Mercury is a really hot planet. In fact, Mercury is 4 times hotter than a boiling water. Oh no! Have you seen a boiling water? It's so hot. It's boiling. It can cook things. You can barely touch it. You will hurt yourself so bad. Well, Mercury is 4 times hotter than that. Oh, it is a very hot planet. Mercury is one of the rocky planets. There are 4 rocky planets and Mercury is one of them. Oh, and Mercury is the smallest primary planet. Mercury is so much smaller than any other planet. So if you think of the smallest planet, think of Mercury. Mercury takes 88 days to complete 1 round around the sun. There is no air, no water, and also there is no moon on Mercury. You wouldn't want to live there. The next planet or planet number 2 is Venus. Yes, Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is surrounded by clouds. That is why every day on Venus is a cloudy day, and the clouds are yellow. Because Venus is surrounded by clouds, it reflects maximum sunlight. So Venus is the brightest planet of all. Did you know that Venus is a little weird? All the other planets move counterclockwise, but Venus moved backwards, which is clockwise. People call Venus as a morning and evening star because they can be seen in the morning and evening. Like Mercury, Venus also don't have any moons. This is a really weird fact. Venus's one day is equivalent to 244 Earth days. And talking about Earth, Venus is known as the Earth's twin planet. The reason for that is that they are very similar in size, and what's most interesting, they are both rocky planets, just like Mercury is. This is cool. Venus is the closest planet to Earth. It is the easiest planet to see in the sky. You don't even need a telescope. How cool is that? The third planet is ours. Yes, the Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Here is where the Earth is. By the way, the planets never lined up like this. I just have them like this so you can see the order of the planets from the Sun. It's interesting. Earth is the only planet we know of that has oceans and life on it. You see those blue portion on Earth's body? Those are all oceans and seas. And the green portion is the land where we live. Like the other planets, Earth also moves around the Sun. It takes 365 days to rotate around the Sun. It also keeps rotating. Due to its rotation around its axis, day and night happen. Let me tell you about one more fact about Earth. As we know, Mercury and Venus don't have moons, but Earth has one moon. Yay! It is known as the Earth's satellite. The moon orbits the Earth like the Earth orbits the Sun. Earth is one of the rocky planets. Yeah, we live on a massive rock that has oceans and has life. And yeah, that's absolutely incredible. Remember, 4 of the planets are rocky planets. The 4th planet is Mars. Yes, Mars is planet number 4 from the Sun. Mars is in between Earth and Jupiter. What color is Mars? Look at Mars. What color is that? Yeah, it's kind of like reddish, orange. Because of its color, Mars is called the red planet. So if anyone asks you, what's the red planet? Tell them, hey, the red planet is Mars. Yeah, it's Mars. Even though it is red, it is not hot. It is much colder than Earth because remember, Mars is farther from the Sun than the Earth. So, Mars is red and almost it looks like it's hot, but it's not. Hey, is there life on Mars? It's a really good question that a lot of scientists has been trying to answer for a long time. Well, scientists believe there used to be water on Mars. If there was water, there may have been life. There are some scientists that believe basic forms of life still living on Mars. Mars is the 4th rocky planet. Remember, we said there are only 4 rocky planets. So, Mars is the last of the rocky planets. Mars has volcanoes and valleys just like Earth. And this is kind of cool. Mars has 2 moons. They are both really small. Now, the 5th planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the first gas planet. It's the massive planet in between Mars and Saturn. I mean, Jupiter is huge. It's the biggest planet in the solar system. Jupiter takes only 10 hours to rotate around the sun. Very fast, yeah? It is also called as the vacuum cleaner of the solar system because it sucks all the dusts and comets from the space. Jupiter is huge. It is the biggest planet in the solar system. In fact, all the other planets could fit in Jupiter and there would be extra room. Imagine how big Jupiter is. And this is amazing. Jupiter has at least 63 moons. At least 63 moons. And we say at least because they are still discovering more. Again, Jupiter is a giant gas planet in between Mars and Saturn. The 6th planet is Saturn. Another gas planet. Here is Saturn. It's in between Jupiter and Uranus. Hey, did you know Saturn rings are made of ice crystals? Wow, how cool that could be. See? Icy rings? Those rings are made of ice. Like Jupiter, Saturn has a lot of moons. Saturn has 62 moons. Wow, tons of moons. What's up with Jupiter and Saturn, right? And this is pretty awesome. Saturn is the farthest planet you can see without a telescope. That's right. You can see Saturn with your own eyes without a telescope. Saturn is a gas planet. It is the 6th planet from the Sun. The 7th planet is Uranus, another gas planet. Yes, planet number 7 is Uranus. It's in between Saturn and Neptune. Both Uranus and Neptune are the only planet you can't see without a telescope. So it took a while for them to be discovered. Uranus is a gas planet that is made of gas and liquid. What's cool is Uranus has rings just as Saturn has rings. Yeah, its rings is made of dust particles. Scientists believe that Uranus rings could be pieces of moons. We don't know for sure, but that's really fascinating if that's the case. Speaking of moons, Uranus has 27 moons. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and it's in between Saturn and Neptune. Now, the 8th and the final planet is Neptune. Hey, that means the first 4 planets are rocky planets and the final 4 planets are gas planets. And Neptune is one of the gas planets. So here is where Neptune is. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. Like Uranus, Neptune is a gas planet that is made of liquid. Neptune is known for its storms, the worst storms in the solar system. In fact, winds reach 1,000 miles per hour on Neptune. That's pretty intense, yeah? Neptune has 14 known moons, but scientists believe that there may be more. Here is Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. It is the coldest planet as it is very far from the Sun. Its time to rotate around the Sun is also the longest. Imagine It takes 165 years to rotate around the sun. You have done such an amazing job with me today. Today we learn planets are round objects that orbit the sun. The word orbit means to circle around. Basically, planets are round objects that go around the sun. And we learned there are two types of planets. So there are primary planets and there are dwarf planets. And here are all 8 primary planets. They are familiar now. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, we learned that Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are rocky planets. And Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are gas planets. Wow! Those are the 8 planets of the solar system. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want some more of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye! It's me again, Teacher Cathy.
Drop it.
Today we're gonna be learning about the human heart. We will be looking about the different parts of our heart, how it works, and how it functions. We're gonna have such a great time. Okay, so let's start here. What is the heart? It's a great question. What is the heart? Well, the heart is an organ of our body. Yeah, that's right. The heart is an organ of our body. Okay, so what is an organ? Yeah, we have to know that to know what the heart is. If the heart is an organ of the body, what is an organ? It's interesting. An organ is a special group of tissues that do specific jobs for our body, like our brain. Our brain is an organ. It's a special group of tissues that do specific jobs for our body. An eyeball is an organ too. It's a special group of tissues that do specific job for our body. How about the kidney? The kidney is an organ too. It's a special group of tissues that do specific job for our body. So we know the heart is a special group of tissues, don't we? Because it's an organ. And an organ is a special group of tissues. But that's not all. Remember, An organ is a special group of tissues that do specific jobs for our body. They do different jobs. They have tasks to do. So, what does the heart do? Well, we can see it's moving, isn't it? The heart is constantly moving. Wow! So what does the heart do for our body? That's a really good question. Why am I asking you this question? Why am I not telling you the answer? Alright, let me tell you. Well, here it is. The heart pumps blood through the body. That's amazing. The heart pumps blood through the body. The heart is a type of pump like the one we use to inflate the wheels on our bikes. The only thing is that instead of pumping air, it pumps blood. Our heart is a big pump and it's pumping blood through our body. As you're watching video right now, you're watching Teacher Cathy, you are enjoying, relaxing, you're having a great time, and even right now, your heart is pumping blood through your body. Right now. Isn't it incredible? So how does your heart do that? The heart is divided into two parts, the right part and the left part, separated by cellular wall. So, they're not connected internally. Each one of these parts has two chambers. So, the right part has two chambers and the left part has two chambers. So, our heart has 4 chambers. So, if anyone has ever asked you, how many chambers does your heart have? You say, my heart has 4 chambers. The word chamber almost means like a room, somewhat like our heart has 4 rooms. There's a right atrium and there's a left atrium. These are the top chambers of our heart. Then the lower 2 chambers are the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Pretty simple. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 on top and 2 at the bottom. The heart also has 4 kinds of doors, which are called valves. So here is how the heart pumps blood through the body. The blood comes in through these valves right here into the right atrium and the left atrium. Do you see those arrows? The blood flows in. Then the blood goes into the ventricle, the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Isn't it very cool? Then the blood leaves the ventricles through these valves up here and it's ready to replenish the body with the oxygen and the nutrients that our body needs. This is all made possible because the heart is a muscular organ, meaning it has lots of muscles. Those muscles are what enables it to pump blood through our body. Isn't that cool? It's such a strong organ. The heart pumps blood to every part of our body through veins and arteries. This is called the circulatory system. Isn't it amazing? It enables your entire body to get the oxygen and the nutrients that our body needs so we can be healthy and strong. The heart. What an amazing organ that pumps blood through our body so we can stay strong and healthy. Oh, I'm going for a run. Oh, I love to exercise. Exercise helps keep my heart healthy. And you know what else that keeps my heart healthy and your heart healthy? Choosing the right food to eat, like vegetables. Vegetables are amazing for our heart. Do you know that? Yes, vegetables are amazing for our heart. I love vegetables. Do you love vegetables? Oh, that's great! Vegetables are good for our heart. Remember, the human heart is very special because it sends blood all over our body. I can't say goodbye without giving you a tip. We need to take care of our heart. That's why we need to do physical exercise. We need to eat healthy food. And please, never ever smoke. That's the best thing you can do to take care of your heart. So that's it. I hope you had a great time with me today. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please click the notification bell for you to be notified if I have a new video in Teacher Cathy channel. Thank you. Bye. I'll see you next time. Welcome back to Online Learning with Teacher Cathy. Today we're going to have fun learning together, and today we are going to study about living and non-living things. Can you tell me the difference between living and non-living? Do you know what living things need to live? Children always ask questions to see if things are living or not. Let's explore what we and other living things need to be alive. Ready? Let's go! Living things need food and water to grow and be healthy. Non-living things do not grow and do not need food and water. Can you be a scientist and ask 3 questions to see if something is living or non-living? 1. Does the thing grow or gets bigger over time? 2. Does the thing need food to be healthy and grow? 3. Does the thing need water to be healthy and grow? Let's look at these things. Which one is living and which one is not? First, ask these questions. Does a flower grow? Yes. Does a flower need food? Yes. Does a flower need water? Yes. So, is a flower living or non-living? That's right! It's a living thing! Great job! What about this one? A rock. Does a rock grow? No. Does a rock need food? No. Does a rock need water? No. So, is a rock living or non-living? That is correct. A rock is non-living thing. Great job. What about the baby? Does a baby grow? Yes. Does a baby need food to grow? Yes. Does a baby need water to be healthy and grow? Yes. So, is a baby living or non-living? That's right. A baby is living. So let's try some more. What about this? Does a pencil grow? No, no. Does a pencil need food? Also no. Does a pencil need water to grow? No, no, no. So, is a pencil living or non-living? That is correct. A pencil is a non-living thing. Great job. Now let's try it one more together. How about you? Do you grow? Yes. Do you need food to be healthy and grow? Yes. Do you need water to be healthy and grow? Yes. So, are you living or non-living? That is right. You are living. Awesome job. I know you are excited to use what you have learned here. I want you to look around you and see how many things are living and non-living. And I want you to take a picture of at least 3 living things and at least 3 non-living things. Remember to practice what you know and have fun responding to our activity in Seesaw app. Okay? That is all for today, children. Have a nice day. Stay healthy. Stay strong. Take care. Always be happy and be kind. Until next time. Bye. Hey kids, this is me again, Teacher Cathy. Hope you're having a great day today because today we're gonna have fun learning together. I'm very excited because today we are going to learn about plant parts and their functions. Are you ready to plant some new words in your brain? Okay, so plants have 6 basic parts. How many plant parts are there again? That's right! There are 6 plant parts. First 3 help plants get water, food, and grow. They are roots, stem, and leaves. The second 3 help plants grow new plants. They are flower, fruits, and seeds. So let's learn the plant parts one by one. First, the part that help the plant get water, make food, and grow. So the first plant part we're gonna look at today are the roots. Roots have the special job. You see, roots hold plant in the soil. Okay, look at the diagram and find the part of the plant that stays underground. Roots are usually underground, but can be above ground too. Have you ever seen a tree that looks like this? Remember, the roots hold the plant to the soil. Okay, so now we're gonna look at the second part of the plant, which are the stems. Now, the stems hold the plant up above the ground, or we can say the stems help the plant stand up tall. The stems carry water and food through the plants. Now look at the plant. Which part of the plant do you think is the stem? That's right! Good job! Remember, the stems hold the plant up above the ground. The next part of the plant we're gonna learn today are the leaves. The leaves are on the end of the stems of plants. This is interesting. Leaves are where plants make most of their food. Leaves take in air and they use air, water, sunlight to make food. Can you tell me which part of the plant are leaves? Correct! Remember, leaves are at the end of the stems. Next part we're gonna look at are the flowers. Flowers, like leaves, grow on the end of the stems. Flowers are often the most colorful part of the plant. Many people love flowers. Some plants have flowers, some plants do not. Look at the plant diagram and tell me which part is the flower. That's right! Good job! Remember, flowers are the colorful growths on the stem. The next part of the plant we're gonna learn about is the fruit. Okay, now, where on the plant is the fruit? Fruit hangs on the end of the stems. Now, you might be wondering, what's the fruit job? What does the fruit do? Well, the fruit's job is to hold the seeds. The fruit is the delicious seed holder. Remember, fruit is the tasty stuff on the stem. Okay, the last part of the plant that we're gonna learn today is about the seeds. So, where are the seeds in the plant? Seeds hide inside the fruit. Now, the seeds have an incredible job. The seeds grow into new plant. Okay, you might be wondering, how does that work? Fruits fall from a tree and rots. The seeds fall out and can make new plants. Remember, seeds lives inside of the fruit. Yay! It looks like you're doing a great job paying attention, learning about parts of the plants. And now, I want to see how much you learn. We're gonna play a game named the plant part. I'm gonna show you the part of the plant and then you go ahead and tell me what part of the plant it is. Alright, hope you're ready because here we go. What part of the plant is this? That is correct! The roots! Good job! Okay, next. Can you tell me what part of the plant is this one? Yes, that is correct. We call it the leaves. Very good. And the next one is, can you tell me what part of the plant is this one? That is absolutely right. It's the seeds. Good job. And next, what about this part of the plant? Correct. It's the stem. Very good. And what about this? You are correct. It is the flower. Good job. And what about the last one? What part of the plant is this? Great job. It's the fruit. Let's review all parts of the plants that we've learned so far. Roots, stem, leaves, fruit, flower, seeds. Great job! Remember to help your learning bloom and always be clever. Till next time, children. Bye! Hi! Welcome back to Kindergarten with Teacher Cathy. So before we start, our warm-up for today is about the song COVID-19. Say it, COVID-19. COVID-19. Okay, COVID-19 go away. Everybody repeat after me. COVID-19 go away. Okay, one more time. COVID-19 go away. Never come back our way. Say it again. Never come back our way. Never come back our way. Very good. Let's do it from the top. COVID-19 go away. Never come back our way. Little children. Say it again. Little children wants to play. Very good. Repeat. Little children wants to play. COVID-19 go away. COVID-19 go away. Let's do it like this. Okay, it's like a circle. It's the COVID-19. Ready? COVID-19 go away. Never come back our way. Little children wants to play. COVID-19 go away. Very good. So we are going to sing that song. COVID-19 go away, never come back our way. Little children wants to play. COVID-19 go away. COVID-19 go away, never come back our way. Little children wants to play. COVID-19 go away. COVID-19 go away, never come back our way. Little children wants to play. COVID-19 go away. COVID-19 go away, never come back our way. Little children wants to play. COVID-19 go away. Good job. We have done our COVID-19 warm-up. So for today's lesson, we are going to learn about our body parts. Do you know that our body is made up of different parts? Do you know that? Yes. Before we proceed to our lesson, I have some pictures to show you. Tell me what the picture is. Okay? Ready? What is this? That's right. Say it again. Say eyes. Say it again. Say eyes. That is very nice. Okay. Do you have eyes? How many eyes do you have? That is right. We have two eyes. One, two. Okay. Tap your eyes. One, two. Say, I have two eyes. Say it again. I have two eyes. Very good. Now, next picture. What is this? That is absolutely right. These are ears. Say ears. Touch your ears. Touch your ears. Right. How many ears do you have? Two ears. That is very good. Now touch your ears. Say, I have two ears. I have two ears. Okay. Say it again. Very good. Okay. Next picture. What is this? Yes, you are right. This is nose. Do you have a nose? Okay, touch your nose. Touch your nose. How many nose do you have? One. That is correct. We have one nose. Okay. Next. Ta-da! What is this? Mouth. That is correct. Say mouth. Mouth. Very good. Okay, point to your mouth. Okay. Say mouth. Mouth. Say I have one mouth. Very good. Okay. Next. What is this? Yes, that's right. It's a tongue. Say tongue. Tongue. Very good. Now show me your tongue. Show me your tongue again. Okay. Say I have one tongue. Okay. Very good. Next one. What is this? Can you see the yellow arrow? Where is the arrow pointing at? It is pointing at the neck. Say neck. Touch your neck. Touch your neck. Okay, move your neck. Move your neck. That's right. Okay, say neck. Neck. This is my neck. Say it again. This is my neck. Very good. Okay, next one is, look at here. What is this? That is right. Say shoulder. Okay, touch your shoulders. That is right. Touch your shoulders. Okay, say shoulders. Move your shoulders. Come on. Move your shoulders. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next one is, look at this. Where is the arrow pointing at? It is pointing at the chest. Say chest. Chest. Very good. Say chest. That is right. Say, this is my chest. This is my chest. Very good. Next one is, what is this? Arm. That is correct. Say arm. Arm. Okay. Okay. Say arms. Arms. Do you have a strong arms? Come on, show me. Show me your arms. Show me strong. Let me see. Strong. Very good. Say arms. Good job. Next, we have 2 little hands. Say hands. Very good. Say it again. Say hands. Okay. How many hands do we have? How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. We have right hand and left hand. How many hands? Say, I have 2 hands. The left and the right. Good job. Next picture is, ta-da! This one. Okay, say fingers. Say it again, fingers. I have 10 little fingers. Say it. I have 10 little fingers. Very good. 10 little fingers. Snap your fingers. Next is the legs. Okay, legs. Touch your legs. Come on, touch your legs. Okay, move your legs. Move your legs. Say, I have 2 legs. I have 2 legs. Very good. Next, what is this? Okay, where is the arrow pointing at? To the knee. Say knee. Touch your knee. Tap your knee. Okay, tap, tap, tap your knee. Tap, tap, tap your knee. Very good. Next, we have foot. Foot. Okay? If it's only one, we call it foot. If we are pointing to the 2 of them, we call it feet. I have 2 feet. Right? Right? Okay, say foot. 1 Foot. Okay. Next, look at this. What is this? Say toes. Say toes. Okay, like the song, head and shoulders, knees and toes, right? So this is our toe. Very good. Okay, so now I have here a picture of a boy and I want you to help me name his body parts. Okay, can you do that with me? Good. Now let's do it together. First we have, can you see this? Can you see this part? What do you call this part of your body? This one. So this is what we call the head. Say head. Now it's your turn to touch your head. This is my head. Say it again. This is my head. Great job. So we're gonna put this here. This is the head. Okay. Right. Next, what do you call this part of the body? This one. That is right. The ears. Okay, now touch your ears. I want you to touch your ears. Say, these are my ears. These are my ears. Say it again. These are my ears. Very good. So we will put the name ears here on this part. Right, there you go. Say ears. Ears. Good job. Now, next part of the body is this. What do you call this? That's correct. Eyes. You touch your eyes. Say, these are my eyes. Say it again. These are my eyes. Very good. So we will put the name eyes on this side. Okay. Say eyes. Very good. Next, what about this part of the body? The part of the body that we use to smell. What is that? I can hear you right. That's the nose. Touch your nose. Nose. Say, this is my nose. This is my nose. Very good. Now we are going to put the name, the word nose here. All right. Okay. Next is this part of the body. What is this? What is that? That is absolutely right. Our mouth. Say mouth. Mouth. Very good. So say, this is my mouth. This is my mouth. Very good. Now let's put the name mouth. There you go. Okay, what about this one? This part of our body. What is this again? That is correct. Our neck. Say, this is my neck. This is my neck. Very good. So we will label here the name neck. Say neck. Neck. Okay. Next part of the body is this one. This. Touch your shoulders. Say shoulders. These are my shoulders. Say it again. These are my shoulders. Tap it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Say it again. Shoulders. Shoulders. Very good. Now let's put the name shoulders on this part. Shoulders. Okay. Next part of the body is what we call this one. What is it? Chest. Say chest. Chest. Touch your chest and say, this is my chest. This is my chest. Great job. Chest. All right, that's it. And the next one is the arm. Arm. Say arm. And touch your arms. Touch your arms. Say, these are my arms. Now let's put the name arm. That's right. Next one. This. What are these? That is correct. Hands. I have 2 hands. Very good. How many hands do you have? 2. That is correct. Say 2 hands. Now show me your 2 hands. Show me your 2 hands. Yeah, that is correct. Now let's put the name hands on this side. We will use this side. Say hand. Say hand. Okay, 2 hands over here. Okay, hands. Now let's put the name hands there. Okay. In our hands, we have, what are these? Fingers. 10 little fingers. Very good. Say, I have 10 little fingers. Say, I have 10 little fingers. Good job. I have 10 little fingers too. Okay, so we will put the fingers here. On this side are the fingers. Okay, what is this? Not a baby. Not a baby. What is this? Tummy. Yes. Say, this is my tummy. Touch your tummy now. Touch your tummy. This is my tummy. Okay, so we will put this in here on the boy's tummy. Say, tummy. Tummy. Okay, next, let's go on to the lower part of our body. First, we have this two. What do we call? What do we call them? Say legs. Legs. Now, let's do this like this. Let's label it like this and stick the word leg. Below the leg, we have feet. We have feet. And then we are going to label one foot. Okay? Here, this is the foot. All right, inside these shoes, inside this boy's shoes is the foot. All right, and the last one is, we can see it here. It's the toes. We can't see it here, but I can show you with this picture. This is the toes, okay? Toes, very good. Okay, so we are done with this body part. And now I want you to do the worksheet in the Seesaw app in our classroom, K3A classroom. Okay, I want you to answer this worksheet. I want you to label the different parts of our body using the words in the box up here. Okay, I want you to label the body parts. Okay, is it clear, children? Yes. So after this video, visit your Seesaw apps, go to the activity section, click it, and you can see this activity. Okay? Is it clear? Very good. As we end this lesson, I want you to enjoy and have fun responding to our activities in Seesaw app, and be safe, stay healthy, take care of your body, okay? Always wash your hands, eat healthy food, drink a lot of water, take a lot of rest, okay? I'll see you next time, children. Love you. Bye.